Run Rio Incorporated's marathon events and programs can now officially be watched on People's Television Network. Here's the report from Jamaica Bayaca.
Run Rio Incorporated and People's Television Network Incorporated, or PTNI, held a contract signing to further formalize their partnership, which was held at the PTV Broadcast Complex this afternoon. Rio de la Cruz, CEO President of Run Rio, and Nicole de la Cruz, Vice President of Run Rio, led the contract signing. Also participating in the event was Sports Network OIC Regina Celeste and attorney Robert O'Dolier, Network General Manager.
I am glad that we are entering into this collaboration to be able to provide a platform to showcase the kind of service or inspiration we are providing to the running populations. Again, thank you and welcome to PTV4.
By joining forces between PTV and one of the top organizers of running events in the Philippines, it aims to better promote marathon events and programs in the country that can be watched on PTV Sports Network. According to Rio de la Cruz and Nicole de la Cruz, they emphasize the importance of the partnership where more aspiring runners can get more involved in running, which can also be beneficial for health.
Very excited kami sa partnership na ito dahil mabibigyan natin ng opportunity na mabigay yung information sa mga runners natin, not only in Metro Manila but nationwide. And meron tayong mga mahalagang mga races na pinopromote natin dahil ito ay makakapag-attract ng mga international runners.
You get to have good health. Tapos, more than that, you get to tone your body, yung endurance, cardiovascular, and more than that also, mental health, malaking bagay ito ngayon. So, with running, meron kang outlet, di ba? Sa araw-araw mo na pagtatrabaho, masyado ka ng stress sa work, pero yung running ay nagpo-provide sa'yo ng outlet wherein you get to relax.
So for runners, brace yourselves because PTV and Run Rio are ready for exciting fun run and marathon races for you.
Natutuwa kaming ibalita sa inyo na ang Run Rio at ang PTV Sports News Network ay nagkaroon kami ng partnership and makikita na yung mga races natin sa kanilang network.
Sana ma-inspire din kayo lalo na sumali at mag-join sa mga races po at mag-try ng running.
At syempre, huwag kakalimutan na manood ng mga episode dito sa ating PTV.
Jamaica Bayaca from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.